Hey, do you want to learn how to use styles in Pikzels AI? With this feature, you can create thumbnails like Course Gazette in a nutshell. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. Now, I've already added the infographic show style and the course show, which is basically a combination of Course Gazette thumbnails and the infographic show thumbnails. And I'm going to show you how to do that. But before this, we are going to add the Course Gazette style. So we are going to click on create here. Then you've got two options, which is the first one is YouTube channel and the second one is upload images. So in YouTube channel, you just need to give in the link that is here on the top, copy it and paste it here, and then click on continue. Then it's going to show all the recent videos that this channel has created, and you can scroll through it. You can also check out the shorts. You can also toggle through popular as well and recent. So let's just take these thumbnails. So click on it, click on all 5 of these. You just need to select 3 thumbnails, but I'm going to select 5 to train the AI more. So let's click here to generate. It's going to take in 50 credits to make a style. So let's click here. Now on the left, you can see that it's currently in queue. Now it's going to train the AI with all the thumbnails and it's going to create this style. Now, just like this, I've created course show. This is a manual style. So you can add thumbnails from different YouTube channels to make your own custom style. To do that, you need to go over here on styles and then click on create. Instead of going for the YouTube channel, you need to click on the upload images next to it. Now you need to type in the style name. I just typed in course show, so you can just say course show, or if you're getting the thumbnails from different channels, you can just make a mashed up name and just put it here. Then on the bottom, you need to upload at least 3 images to make this style. So I'm going to click here, and these on the bottom are all the thumbnails that I've downloaded from these channels. And if you want to learn how to download them, what you have to do is go over to the channel like this one, and click on any one of these videos. For example, this, go inside it. Then on the right hand side, you're going to find a vidIQ extension. We need this in order to download the thumbnails. To get it, you need to go over to chromewebstore.google.com and search for vidIQ Vision. And then you need to add it to your Chrome web browser by clicking over here. It's currently removed from Chrome, but it should be add to Chrome. Once done, it's going to be added, and then you can pin it to your extensions tab here, and then you can pin it by clicking on this puzzle icon and then just click here to pin it. It's currently pinned. I can unpin it if I want. When you pin it, it's going to show up on this extensions tab. It's not required, but if you want to do it, this is how to do it. Now let's go back to the video and refresh the page. Now on the right hand side, you can find these thumbnails. The best part about their vidIQ extension is that you can see their thumbnail changes as well. So you can see here. So on 6th, they have uploaded this. And as we go forward, they have uploaded at least 6 of these thumbnails. And they're not using the other ones. You can download them and train the AI based on these thumbnails. For example, this one, they will probably not use it anymore. So you can just download it from here and train the AI based on these. So now you can see the power of vidIQ extension. I've put the link in the description for vidIQ as well. Now, just like this, you can go to infographic show channel and open up any of these videos. For example, this one, and on the right hand side, you're going to find the thumbnail. Just click on it and download the thumbnail. And that's it. Once you have downloaded all the thumbnails from these different channels, collect them together and select all of them, drag and drop it over here, which is going to be added. And then you can click on generate, which is again going to take in 50 credits. So let's close it from here. But because I've already made this course show, I'm going to show you 2 thumbnails generated with Pikzels with both these styles. Okay, it has now been trained and we can select it from here. So let's select this and let's type a first prompt. I've written in this prompt and clicked on enhance prompt, which is going to give us a much better formatted text. So here you can see a samurai walking on a red path, burning buildings in the background, bold text on top, that reads Way of Samurai. Let's click on generate and see what it does. It's going to take in 10 credits. All right, so there you go. It has now created our thumbnail and it looks really nice. Now, if you want to redo it, you can do from here, which is just going to redo the thumbnail. Or if you want to edit something inside here, you can just click here to edit it and use brush selection or the rectangle selection. Click and drag to make a box. And then on the bottom, you can describe what you want to add, remove, or replace. So here, I'm going to click on redo and show you what it does. All right, so this is what it has created with the redo feature. And let's say we want to add something inside here. So I'm going to click on edit and choose this rectangle selection. Click and drag like this to select this part of the thumbnail. And on the bottom, I'm going to say something like add a creature and then specify what it is. So a monster. And then let's click on generate, 10 credits. And there you go. It has now created this monster on the right hand side. And just like this, you can edit and add or remove anything in the thumbnail with AI. Now let's try out with another prompt. Let's avoid this burning thumbnails. A luxurious mansion on the left side of the image with a wealthy man in an expensive suit standing on the right, confidently pointing towards the mansion. Let's click on generate. We are going to keep the Kurzgesagt style here selected. And there you go. This looks really nice. Now let's test out the same prompt with our style Kurzschau, which is a combination of different thumbnails from both these channels, Kurzgesagt and the infographic show. It's a manual style. So let's click on here to select it and let's click on generate. The thumbnail has been generated. It has a little resemblance to the infographic show style, but it also has got this Kurzgesagt style in it. Now let's click on redo and let's see if it makes a better one than this one. Okay, this looks a lot better than this one. Now let's test out the other prompt, the first prompt that we tried before, the samurai walking on a red path with this Kurzschau style. Let's click on generate to test it out. Okay, this also looks nice. And just like before this one, it's made with the combination of both these channels' thumbnails and with a custom style. Now, if you want, you can just remove your style from here in the prompt bar. And let's say you want to delete a style from here, you can do that. Just go over here on the left, click on styles and delete the style by clicking on this red bin. Then you can click on delete in order to delete it. I hope this video helped solve your problem. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. Also on the right hand side, you're going to find more Pikzels and other AI related tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.